We tested 3 of the best upholstery cleaning machines for cars, which also happen to be great for carpet and furniture cleaning as well. We tested the Bissell Spot Clean Pro 3624, the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner, and the HOOVER Spotless Deluxe. In a previous video, which I'll link in the description, we tested these 3 units with a stain test and an airflow test on carpet and found that although it was very close, the Bissell Spot Clean Pro did the best and was the easiest to use. Our test on car upholstery was mainly to see if there was anything different with regard to their performance on auto upholstery. As far as the performance, they all sucked out lots of gross stuff from this 200,000-mile truck, but since they weren't really uniform stains, we have to defer to the previous stain test and say that they were all nearly equal, with the Bissell Spot Clean Pro doing just a little better. But as far as the specifics related to auto detailing, there are a few things to note. First, the Bissell has the longest cord length at 22 feet, which is good, but you're most likely going to use an extension cord anyway when cleaning cars, but the extra 7 feet could be the difference in your situation. The Bissell and the Hoover also come with 2 sizes of brushes, the smaller of which is specifically meant for auto detailing. The Rug Doctor, on the other hand, only has the 1 brush, but its brush does have a feature where if you flick a switch, it moves part of the brush around with a motor. I personally didn't use that feature much because you do have to put a lot of pressure on the handle to suck out all the water, and I didn't want to put all that much pressure on the motorized part of the brush. The Rug Doctor has the longest hose of the 3 units, but it's the only hose of the 3 that doesn't seem very sturdy, which is odd because the rest of the Rug Doctor seems very well built, but the hose seems like it would be the first thing to break. In any case, all 3 units were able to fit on the floorboard, so the hose length was not an issue. So, as with the carpet test, I would have to recommend the Bissell Spot Clean Pro for car upholstery as well, as it was the easiest to use, and based on the previous stain test, it performs the best. I also found its construction to be very sturdy. The Rug Doctor is a very close second, and the Hoover is the only one I would not recommend at all, due to it being more cheaply made, harder to use, and having the worst showing on the previous stain tests. Links in the description to all 3 units so you can see prices and reviews. You can also check out the stain test we did on the carpet on the screen. Consider a like or a subscription if this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.